Good morning, bhai. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Voice Vastunda? Voice coming? Hi, bhai. Good morning, good morning. Bagunara? Is there anybody Poranki last time? Poranki boys? Hanji, good morning. Voice coming once. Give me a yes. Ramcharan is saying yes. Ramcharan, I saw you. I saw you a few days back. I saw. You were sitting in the front seat of CVN swearing in ceremony. You are the same Ramcharan, na? Front seat you were sitting with the family of Nara Lokesh Garu. Mustache was there. Good morning, Vaishnavi auntie. Good morning, Vaishnavi auntie. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All good, chilling, enjoying. Physics, basic math started. Physics fake math started. Physics fake math started. Function. Then I can go on to the real math. Yeah. What is a function? Function is a place where people gather together to have food, like birthday function, marriage function. And my question from physics people is, why are you going to the function of your ex? Nation wants to know. Why are we going to the function of the ex? You also want to ask Akhilesh sir this question next class. Ki sir, why? Why are you going still? Marriage tarvata, kid tarvata. Every year you are going. Why to the function of x? Move on, sir. Move on. Physics people, move on. So let's come to the real maths. Real basic maths. Ready? Ready, bhai? very deep. Hai na? Right. Real basic maths. So last class, you asked a lot of doubts regarding NEET, preparation and all those things. So class went a little dark. So now today we are going to start the studies properly. Real basic maths we are going to see. So the math we are going to study are tools which can make us understand and solve the problems of chemistry as well as physics. So what we are going to see today are scientific notation and how to shift the decimal. So the topic for today is shifting of decimals. In case you are good in the mathematics, still attend the lecture, because some people have superiority complex. Sir, we are very smart, we are very good in mathematics already. If you think you are good, you will 100% do a silly mistake. And in case you are not good, anyway, you will listen carefully. So all the crowd, if you are good, every answer should come correct. Check your accuracy. If you are not good, learn. So shifting of decimals we are going to see. Let's start. So for example, you have 6.626 into 10 to the power 11. Twarga, tell me what's the name of this number. What do we call this number as? In math, this number is called what? What's the name given to this number 11? Average number? Chichi. Right. Twarga. If I say 6.62610, what is that? Yes, correct. This is called power. Correct? Everyone knows this is called power. My question is, what's the meaning of power in Telugu, Hindi, Sanskrit? Udiya, Tamil, Kannada. In every language, what's the meaning of power? Twarga, twarga. Yes, Shakti. Power means Shakti. Correct? So what is this Shakti? What's the power of 10? What's the meaning of power of 10? So to understand in the simple language, everyone listening carefully, I'm starting the lecture now. Introduction over. My name is Saurabh Pant. I teach chemistry. You are attending the class of long term, second class. First class was introduction. Second class is the starting of track 1 of chemistry. We are learning real basic maths. Done? Now, what is the meaning of this power of 10? So to understand the simplest language, power of 10 means the power required to attract the decimal. Understand? The power required to attract the decimal. If the decimal is far away from 10, if the decimal is far away from 10, so more power of 10 will be there. If the decimal will be closer to 10, so less power required to attract it. Understanding? Power of 10. What's the meaning of that power? What is the meaning of that Shakti? Power means tendency to, power to attract the decimal. So if the decimal is far away, power of 10 will be more. If the decimal is closer, power of 10 will be less. Understand here. If I write 662.6 or let's say 66.26, tell me out of A and B, in which case, out of A and B, in which case the decimal is closer to 10? Out of A and B, which case the decimal will be closer to 10? A or B? Twarga, twarga. A or B? Which case the decimal, this decimal, in which case closer to 10? B. So if the decimal is already close to 10, here the power will be less. If the decimal is already close, so less power required to attract na decimal. Or visualize, imagine decimal. Decimal was here, power required 11. Decimal is closer, power required is less. Less means 10. Mugging ledu, concept going inside the head or not? Maybe you will learn maths for the first time. By this time, to mugged up only a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. But now we are going to understand the logic. Similarly, if I write C, from A to C I am coming 0.6626. Now tell me, out of A and C, in case of C, decimal is away or closer to 10? Out of A and C, in which case the decimal is away from 10? Away. Out of A and C, ignore this B for some time. Out of A and C, in which case the decimal is away from 10? Away. Very good. C, decimal is away. So more power ka wala or less power ka wala? If the decimal is away, to drag the decimal, more power ka wala, less power ka wala? Twarga chapandi bhai. More power. So 11 power is there. More power than 11 means power will be 12. Clear bhai sahab? Veliginda. Mind low, bulb veliginda. Check one more time carefully. When the decimal, see, compare with this. When the decimal is closer to 10, less power required. When the decimal is away from 10, more power required. Those who are joining right now only, check from the beginning onwards the lecture. Don't try to catch the train in the middle. It is a recorded YouTube lecture kind of going on, because live is live at the same time, but the beginning part I have taught for the last 9 minutes. That is also there on YouTube. Go back, check there. Understand this. Let's do some more questions, right? Try to understand some more questions. For example, I am having 6.626, 10 power minus 34. Joule second, Planck's constant we call it. In chemistry we'll call it Planck's constant. My question is, if I write 662.6 into 10 to the power, tell me, out of A and B, in B, the power required should be less or more? Out of A and B, in A, decimal is here. In B, decimal is here. In which case, less power required? Power required is more or less in B? Less. Why? Because here he has to drag 3 decimal places. Here he has to drag only 1 decimal place. So if you have to drag decimal to only 1 decimal place, here you have to drag decimal to 3 decimal places. 3 digit undi na. Here 1 digit is there. So here less power required to snatch the decimal. Less power. Tell me, minus 34, minus 35, minus 33. If minus 34 is my reference out of X and Y, which power is less as compared to minus 34? Minus 35 is less or minus 32 is less? 33 कर ले भाई. Minus 35 is less or minus 32, minus 33 is less? Yes, so lesser will be minus 35. Number line तो you might be knowing यार. See, I understand all of you are serial inter pass student. I understand this much maths most of you know, but I cannot assume. I'll be assuming that you know nothing. From zero we are starting. Clear bhai sahab? So try to engage. Clear bhaiya? So out of minus 34 and minus 35 is lesser. Now coming back here, if I say minus 34, here decimal is closer to 10, less power required. So less than minus 34 means minus 35, minus 36, minus 37. How many decimals shifted? Check. A to B, 2 decimal places are shifting. Check. Decimal was here. In B, decimal came after 2. So from here to here, how many digit decimal shifted? How many digit decimal shifted? 2 shifted. So 2 less. 2 less. 2 less. Less means minus 36. And if you have this message box available with you, you can go up in the message and check. The initial answer came was minus 32. And whosoever answered minus 32, that's what I'm saying. If you think you know, 100% silly mistake you will do. Accuracy should be 100% for getting a seat in NEET examination, bhai sahab. This is the maths of class 6-7. People try to become hero by answering these questions in the class today. Bhaiya, if you are answering these questions before I am solving, focus on accuracy. Because knowledge you don't need, practice you need, accuracy you need. How can minus 32 come in the beginning? It should be better if you wait for 2-3 seconds, solve properly and give the correct answer. Because changing one answer takes 1 year in NEET examination, bhai sahab. Don't take it lightly. Anyway, I'm repeating again for the new learners. Listen one more time carefully. Take a deep breath. Bhai, decimal was here. I am shifting it 2 places ahead. Here. This decimal is closer to 10. So less power of 10 required to attract it now. Because this decimal came closer to 10, less power required. Less means how much less? 2 digits shifted. So 2 decimal less. 2 power less. So minus 34 power. Lesser is minus 35. Not minus 33. Number line. Minus 35. Even lesser minus 36. So 2 lesser minus 36 will come. So moral of the story is decimal shifts right. Decimal is shifting right closer to 10. So less power of 10 required. Decimal shifts left. So more power of 10 required. If the decimal shift to right, less power of 10 required. If the decimal shift to left, more power of 10 required. Sir, what does it mean? See one more time. See one more time. I am shifting the decimal left now. I am shifting the decimal left to 0.6626. So what I did? Decimal shifted left means decimal is going away from 10. Decimal going away from 10 means more power required to attract. More power. More than minus 34 is minus 33. Because only one digit shifted. Na? One digit shifted, so one more power required. But understand, minus 33 is more than minus 34, is more than minus 35, is more than minus 36. Bhaiya, number line should be clear, yaar. Check. Some people with less focus, they will feel, sir, it is going very fast. No, this is the optimum speed. I can slow down and bore you. Boring movie, if you want to see, wrong place came. If you want to understand also, you want to engage in the class also, there is an optimum speed. A speed where most of the people will understand, everyone who is focusing will understand, and remaining people will not be bored. Ki sir, what time pass going on? Optimum speed required. If you think you are a slow learner, take a deep breath and check one more time. Again, I am repeating. Speed will be same. Repetition I can do 10 times if required. Speed will be same. Increase the focus. Match your level with the national standard. Then only selection will come, bhaiya. You cannot always say, sir, I am slow, I am slow, I am slow, I am slow. If you are slow, you have to evolve. Clear, bhaiya? We are ready to repeat, but we are not ready to go slower than the speed of the class required to engage the class. Again, listen carefully, slow learner. Again, listen carefully. Full focus kawali. Here, decimal was here. I shifted closer to 10. 10 is here now. Imagine I am 10. If I am 10, decimal was away. Here the decimal is closer to 10. So here less power required. Less than minus 34. How much less? 2 digits shifted. Check. Decimal here. Now here. So 62. 62. This 2 digits shifted. So 2 power less. Similarly, if the decimal shifted other side, left side, it is going away from the 10. So more power required to attract. More means more than minus 34. How much is more than minus 34? How much more? Sir, only 1 digit shifting. So 1 more. 1 more than minus 34 is minus 33. Check, bhai. Understood? हाँ भैया, तो डेसिमल शिफ्टेड राइट साइड क्लोजर टू 10, लेस पावर ऑफ 10 रिक्वायर्ड. डेसिमल शिफ्टेड लेफ्ट साइड अवे फ्रॉम 10, मोर पावर कावाली. तो सम एग्जांपल्स आई विल गिव यू. You will solve them. Twarga, you will give the answer. Those who are just now learning, don't be in a hurry that so many answers are coming, I am lagging. Don't worry, do slow but do correct. Those who are already knowing this thing, or at least they think they know, focus on accuracy. every answer coming out of your keyboard must be correct. Accuracy should be 100%, then only you will be able to get good marks. चलिए भैया, starting the example now. 6.022 10 to the power 23 is equals to 6022 into 10 to the power x. You have to find x. 0.06022 10 to the power y. You have to find y. Dash into 10 to the power 20. Dash into 10 to the power 24. So question is A, B, C, D. Every answer must be correct. Understand in the NEET examination this year also, if you see the paper was not difficult. Many people lost the seat because of silly mistake. Habits, practice. From day one practice, don't be in a hurry. Slow but correct. Focus on accuracy. So answers started coming slowly. Those who are doing slow, don't worry, try, see where is the decimal. Ikkada shifting tarvata akada means closer to 10. Closer to 10 means less power kavali. Less power. How many digits we are shifting? 3 digits shifted. So 3 power less. 3 power less means it should be 20. 3 less than 23, 20. Similarly, check. Similarly, here we are shifting the decimal away. You can check. Here the decimal shifted away. How much away? 2 digits away. 2 digits away means 2 digit away from 10. So 10 require more power to attract now. How much more power required now? Getting decimal going away from 10 in this case. So more power required now. How much more required? 2 digits shifted to 2 power more. So 2 more than 23, 25. You have to be extra careful with negative power. But with positive power, to twarga answer will come. Here, same 6022.0. 10 power 20 already solved. 24. Now, 23 to 24. 23 to 24. 23 to 24. Power is more. More power. Check here, everyone. More power is there. 23 to 24. Power is more. More power means decimal must be away. Then only more power required, na? So if more power required, decimal must be away. So 0.6022 coming. One more example, same model. 6.022 10 power 23 is equals to dash into 10 to the power 21. 23 to 21. 23 to 21. Here 21 is less power. Less power required means decimal must be closer to 10. Closer to 10 means shifted right. Less power required means decimal must be closer to 10. Closer to 10 means shifted right. How much right? 23 to 21. 2 digit right. So 2 digit right. See, vakati rendu. So 602.2. Twarga, give me a yes if you understood the feeling of the power. Practice so obviously you will do. I'll give you some questions to practice as well. You will do the practice. Speed will increase automatically. Feeling came, the meaning of power you understood finally in the life before completing your schooling. Finally someone will ask you 10 to the power 10. Why power? Clear भैया? तो 10 power PSPK. So why are we having PSPK? Power to attract the decimal. Clear भाई? Attracted TDP and BJP ना यार. PSPK. The same kind of attraction. Apart from the politics, one good thing I will say only. Finally, after many years, Andhra is again at the top of the national politics. Whatever the result is there, good to all the three parties. Till the last day, no one was able to predict what the result is going to come. See the power of democracy, na yaar. 2 months, 3 months, how the situation changed. In the national level, we can see clearly that now the Andhra Pradesh is at the top. No other state is matching at this point of time. Politically speaking, power-wise speaking. So see, if good people will enter, you can see 3 strong leaders you have. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Jagananna, PSPK. 3 equally powerful leaders. No, it's not like time pass by impasse. One was very weak, one was very strong. That's why strong won. Nahi. After result, the people are very happy. This happened, that happened. But one day before the result, no one was confident how much dominance is going to come. Little bit idea was there. TDP supporters were saying TDP. YSRCP supporters were saying YSRCP. But you can understand 3 powerful leaders in the same state. How lucky you people are. 3 powerful leaders in the same state. UP, for example, we say UP Yogi Adityanath is there. Akhilesh Yadav is there. Third, Mayawati 0. Where is the power? There is no other state where there was no, and that is why in the center now the Andhra Pradesh is dominating. So rather than now dividing into this party, that party, be proud that a Telugu person is responsible for making sure who is the Prime Minister at the center. After Venkaiah Naidu Garu and 10 years back Chandrababu Naidu Garu, finally again this situation has come. Feel proud. Feel happy that good things might happen. Because now center is also realizing the importance of the state politically, at least for 5 years, till the time your NEET exam is over. Clear, bhai sahab? So rather than TDP, YSRCP, Jan Sena, understand all 3 have done tremendous work at the ground level. Everyone. You cannot say previous CM was bad, new CM is only good, or new CM is bad, or previous was good. No. Everyone have done. Last year, YSRCP also won with a good margin. This year, TDP, that is called strong democracy. So neither TDP will become complacent or lenient, nor YSRCP will become complacent or lenient. Good for Indian politics, good for state politics also, and very good for us. ठीक है, as to NEET scam, EVM scam, you can say. I don't want, that's what I'm saying now. Again, same thing. If this 16-17-year-old students are not realizing कि भैया, you are till now not able to vote, why are you taking side of parties? Be proud. Here you are getting one opportunity to be proud of your state, and still you are divided. When you reach the top, be united. When you reach the top, understand, it is not YSRCP, TDP, Jan Sena anymore. It is Andhra Pradesh reaching at the top now. And if you are divided, then again someone else will come in the dominance. UP next time UP will again come in the dominance. Then again you will be keep on thinking, grants are not coming, why the colleges are not getting made here. Today is the time to unite for you people, and you are not uniting here, fighting with each other. And what 16-17-year-old are fighting? 50, 60, 17-year-old politicians are friend. Jan Sena and TDP were competitors na 4 months back. They can become friend. And bhai sahab, all of them are from the same family. And you are fighting with each other. Don't be silly. Be proud. Clear bhai sahab? You got the national. Now you will say, "I am from Andhra Pradesh." Respect will be there more in the public. Clear, bhaiya? So all the students of Goshalite, at least, no time pass politics in the classroom. Be proud of the national politics. You are getting a good position. Clear, bhaiya? Every 5-year election happens here. Chill. Next time someone else will win. This will win. That will keep on going. You should be proud that all the parties are somewhere or the other are benefiting the public. Different categories of public, but they are benefiting. One good thing is there. So chill, relax. You should start one political party. Arey beta, politics is not for me. You know why? With all due respect, I cannot say sugar-coated lies. Someone will say, "Sir, this road will be made." I will say, "Chal, why the road will be made? Money is not there. Someone else road I will make because that is more important." I cannot say, "Na, ki I will see your problems. I understand your pain. We will see this road also get made as soon as possible." This is not my cup of tea. And bhaiya, teacher, I'm good as a teacher. I became a teacher because I was getting paid to speak the truth. The more truth I will speak, better I will be able to earn the respect and money. This field is good for me. From outside only it is good, huh? Politics is very good from outside. Clear, bhaiya? Chaliye, let's carry on. Let's carry on. Coming back. So we should be aware, but we should not be biased. We can support a party because our family support the party. No problem in that. But we should not be hating the other party. Na? Hate is a bad thing. Done? You can be Rohit Sharma fan, you can be Virat Kohli fan, but you should not be hating Virat Kohli fan because you are Rohit Sharma fan. Hate in life is not required, yaar. Math is required. Together we will hate one thing only, math. So let's start. Next, 664.32 into 10 to the power minus 5 is equals to 0.66432 10 to the power x. 66432 10 to the power y. Twarga solve these two. Everyone, twarga solve these two. क्या बात है शरद बाबू जी, बिल्कुल परफेक्ट. जय आंध्रा, जय इंडिया. Very good. -8, -2. Arey yaar, which one is -8? Which one is -2? You are giving question to me. Ki sir, you do match the column. Bhai, I will ask question, you will answer. You are good politicians, yaar. You can become politician. You know answer will be one of them. So both answer typed. So according to your choice, section B answer we are giving you. Choose according to what you feel like. X equal to -8 -2. Let's see. Here is the decimal and here is the decimal. In this decimal is only 2 digit away from 10. In this decimal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit away. So as the decimal is away, here more power required. Again I am saying, here the decimal is close to 10, here the decimal is away from 10. So more power required. More power required means how much more required? See bhai, you have shifted 3 digit away. From decimal here you brought here, 3 digit away. So 3 power more. So -5, more than -5, -4, more than -4, -3, more than -3, -2. So bhaiya, more power required. How much more required? 3 more required. So power will be -2. Check. Whenever negative comes, whenever negative comes, there only you have to be little extra careful. One more time I am repeating, everyone check bhai. Slow learners, focus. Decimal ikkada closer to 10. Decimal akkada away from 10. So when the decimal is away from 10, more power required to drag it. So previously power was -5. More than -5 required. How much more? 3 decimals shifted. So 3 power more. So -5 was there, 3 more. More means plus. So -5 plus 3, -2. Similarly, when you come here in the second example, decimal is after 2. So decimal was here, shifted 2 places forward. Now the decimal is closer to 10. If the decimal is close to 10, less power required. How much less? 2 digit shifted to 2 digit less. So -5, 2 digit less, so -7. So someone was giving -8 answer also. How -8 came, bhai? Say bhaiya. These are the places where people are not working, bhaiya. Whenever you become a long term, you need to understand that something would have gone wrong from very basic also. So once you start working on extreme basic, real basic maths, after 7-8 days, when the real chemistry and physics will start, twarga answers will come. Correct answers will come. Otherwise, generally till the last step people reach, then shifting the decimal, they do the mistake, they get -1. Stepwise marking not there, na. In board exam, if you don't know this, half marks will be deducted. In NEET exam, if one step is wrong, last step is wrong of shifting decimal, 5 out of 5 will go. So bhai, please, if in case you think you are already good in this, again I am reminding you, be more accurate. Please, if you are good in maths already, you should become the national topper. Work on your accuracy. Say bhai, one more example. Try this one. 6.6432 10 to the power z. Find z. 6.6432. So again now, 2 decimals shifted left. Shift left, power more. How much more? 2 more. So -5 plus 2, -3. Check na. From here, 2 decimals shifted left. Decimal going away, more power required. This is called scientific notation. Sir, these are not scientific notation? No. This one only scientific notation? Yes. Why, sir? There should be only 1 digit before decimal. There should be only 1 digit before decimal. That notation is called scientific notation. Physics, Manish Pandey sir will teach you this thing somewhere in the errors, units and dimension topic. Take a small break of 10 seconds and tell any problem is there in example A, B or C. Clear? One very chadda joke came in the mind. My mind, whenever 10-second gap comes, my mind is not able to be at pause. Enantiomer, you know enantiomer? Non-superimposable mirror image. Non-superimposable mirror image. One is R configuration, one is S, one is levorotatory, one is dextrorotatory. One rotates the plane polarized light, let's say on the right side, the other on the left side. So I suddenly realized that I am the enantiomer of power star. How the mirror image will come? Power star mirror image. Oh my God, such a chadda joke. Wow. Hi. You give me 10 seconds, I will give you these kind of jokes. Nikhil MBBS obviously yaar, chill. Reneat not happening for you, don't worry. Enjoy the success. Relax and don't watch news. Your life will be very happy. So PSSP. In botany, people call it palindrome or palindromic sequence. Oh my God. Chemistry joke, botany joke. Hanji. This thing, any problem? ABC. Biotechnology, हाँ भाई. Clear भैया? Understood? Done? I can prove it also. I can prove. Pawan Kalyan have beard throughout the face. Non-superimposable mirror image. Pawan Kalyan has elder brother. He is the younger one. Non-superimposable mirror image. I am the elder brother. Are you realizing? Pawan Kalyan fought against Jan Sena. I just now combined all Sena. Are you realizing? Oh my, I also got mesmerized here. Oh my God. Chaliye. So enough of the gap. Brain got relaxed. Let's carry on. I know. You fought for NEET. I fought till the time. In the background I fought, but I stopped making the videos because it was becoming more political and less logical. Background means lawyers, two of them I was in contact with. Wherever required, combining the cases, filing the cases, all those things done. Clubbing of the cases, merging 2-3 people together, those work done. But it was only for 1563 student. So much difference did not come. But once I started seeing that now a view drama going on, fake news are spreading, so I stopped by. Last time also, around 3-4 years back, I stopped the flow in my channel for this reason only, because when this kind of things start, now people start like running behind views. All this Unacademy, Baiju, I'll say the name also, Unacademy, Baiju, PW, Motion. 90%, reels are getting made, heroes are getting. I don't want to unnecessarily spoil at least my circle of students in that. Why you selected chemistry? I was from MPC. So why your biology is strong? The reason is your biology is not strong. Reason is your phase chemistry is weak. I am from MPC. Understand na? Logic. Chali, coming back. Mathematics. Reason is my chemistry teacher was more influential than physics and maths teacher. So I got more drifted towards chemistry. That is the actual reason. That's how most of you choose your field. If the teacher whose language you understand, whose subject you understand, that subject becomes your favorite subject automatically. Coming ahead, going ahead. Now tell me, if I write 6.022 10 to the power 23 plus 4.078 10 to the power 22. त्वरगा से what is the answer? You people are so innocent. You're laughing on this stupid joke also, yeah. Sometimes I feel I'm so blessed that this much low level of jokes also there are people who are laughing. In my college, if I used to crack this kind of jokes, they used to discard me. But see how the life changes. Good, carry on. It gives me motivation to not become a stand-up comedian. Hanji, Torga, what's the answer? 64.298 times 22. Vamsi is saying remaining. Try. Yeah. But at least I'm happy that at least my jokes are better than Manish Pandey sir jokes. Somewhere though I'm doing better there. Okay. Good. Let's start. So this is the starting of the next lecture. From here I'm starting. This I will tell in detail in the next class. In case you do like this, Kisa test about 23 and 22 will be 10 to the power 45. And this will add 8 to 10, carry 1, 7 to 9, 1, 10, carry 1, 6, 4, 10, 10.1 test about 45. So this is totally wrong. Last class only I told you this thing. Correct? Now whenever power are different, so whenever we have different power terms, this is called term number 1, this is term number 2. So whenever we have different power terms added or subtracted, then take one power common and divide all terms by that power. So one power I will take common. Which power? Test about 23 or 22. Any one power you can take common. Any one power you can take common and divide both the terms with that power. So let us say we are taking 10 to the power 22 common. So here 6.022 10 to the power 23 divide by that power plus 4.078 10 to the power 22 divide by that power which you have taken common. So next class we are going to start with this addition and subtraction. Done, bhaiya? Some questions I will give you as homework. Try those questions. What you are going to try in those questions? Shifting of the decimals. Clear, bhai? This from here we are going to start in the next class. So questions I am giving as the example now. Try them. 400 10 to the minus 9 is equals to dash into dash to the minus 10. Dash into dash to the minus 12. Dash into dash to the minus 6. Then 72.338 10 to the power 11 is equals to dash into 10 to the power 15 is equals to 7.2338 into 10 to the power x. Try these. Next class we are going to start with addition and subtraction. Understand, we will start from the basics. So those people who are already decent in the topics, mathematical part, focus on your accuracy. Don't have this superiority complex in your brain in the beginning only. Clear, bhaiya? Okay, Vaishnavi auntie. Okay. Bye. Chaliye, okay then. Bye. Note down this. Solve these questions. Try all the questions given in the class today. Slowly work on your maths. Even if you think you are good in that, practice will make you better and better and better. Aim for AIR 1. Okay, bhai. Bye bye.